In front of me is a myPhone Series 2, and today I'll show you how to perform a hard reset of the device through these settings. So to get started, you want to open up your settings app. It can be either accessed by just the setting app itself, which should be somewhere here, right here, or by pulling down the notification panel, and you'll find the setting right here. So once you tap on it, let's go all the way down to System, then Advanced, and you will find Reset Options. And at the bottom of the Reset Options, you have Erase All Data, Factory Reset. So once you tap on it, it gives you a message that, well, this process will remove your Google account, system app data, downloaded apps, music, photos, and user data. So basically what it's saying is we'll remove everything apart from whatever the device came with. So if you want to keep something like photos, your personal stuff, you might want to back it up before you begin, but assuming you have done that already or you don't want to, then just tap on Reset Phone and then erase everything. And the process will begin. Now it might take a couple of minutes, so just be patient. Once it's finished, we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is actually visible. And as you can see, the process is finished and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.